Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the DT package that I received from Scrapdiva Designs. I will link everything in the description box. Erica has come out with some amazing spring goodies for us. So I'm so excited to dig into this. This is a rosette, and I was looking on the website, and I'm actually going to have to ask her about this. I will link all of the products in the description box, of course. But I'm really excited to use this rosette, and this is the lipstick box that she has. It looks like, I mean, I've seen a couple of these on Insta, and yeah, the box itself is such a cutie. Like, it's really mini. It's going to be less than 1 inch square. So I was thinking this would be really cute to hold like a tube-shaped sequins mix too, which is probably what I'm going to do, my first project. And I have this purse. It's a pillow box die. Looks like there is going to be a couple, yeah, it's going to be a 2-layered purse pillow box. This is super cute. I really like this whole idea. This whole setup is going to be absolutely adorable. A fun one to put together. And then there is this mini treat box. This, I've seen a couple people do as well. Super, super cute. And then this is her gumball machine die, and it's going to be a really cute, like, spring bunny one. I'm very excited to play with this. I've seen a couple people do this as a shaker, and it's super, super cute. There are these shaker bunny embellishments here, 2 different sizes. There's a small and a large. Comes with the faces and everything. These whiskers are going to be so, so cute. And then I have a vintage telephone die, and I'm old enough to remember when phones actually looked like this. But this looks really, really cute. It does have an interior, so you can make it a shaker as well. That looks super fun. So check back, and I'll have some project shares for you. Thank you, Erica. Your designs are absolutely amazing. I love your dies. Thank you so much for sending me some goodies. And I will see you ladies in the next crafty video. Bye!